Hi, second graders. The objective for today is I can solve subtraction problems without regrouping by drawing base 10 blocks. So today you're going to watch me do one, and then the next two you are going to try with me. So remember the steps for subtraction. Our first step is to build the minuend. Remember that's that first number, the biggest number. It would be our whole in the problem. Then we're going to take away the subtrahend. So we'll start by taking away the ones, then we'll take away the tens, and finally we'll take away the hundreds. And then you are left with the difference. So watch me for this first one. We're going to do 99 minus 5. So our first step is to build the minuend, and our minuend would be 99. So how many hundreds do I need for 99? No hundreds. How many tens do I need for 99? I need 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's move to the next place value, the ones. How many ones do I need? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So remember, when we're drawing base 10 blocks, our tens are just a straight line and our ones are a little circle. So now we're on step 2, which is to take away the subtrahend. And our subtrahend in this problem is 5. So we have to think, is our 5, would that be taking away hundreds, taking away tens, or taking away ones? This 5 is in the ones place, so we are going to take away 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any tens to take away? No. And no hundreds, because we didn't even have any hundreds to start with. So now we need to figure out what our difference is. So we're going to count how many we have left. So let's start in the ones. How many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write my 4 down here for my 4 ones. Now let's go to my tens. How many tens do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 tens, and the value of 9 tens is 90. So if I have 4 in the ones and 90 in the tens, it looks just like expanded form. So my standard form would be 94. So 99 minus 5, the difference is 94. All right, now grab your paper so you can do this one with me. So your first step is go ahead and draw out your hundreds, tens, and ones chart. And remember, you can just write an H, a T, and an O. Now that you have your hundreds, tens, and ones chart built, let's start with step 1, which is build our minuend. Point to the minuend. Which number would we build? We are going to build 59. Are there any hundreds in 59? No. Are there any tens in 59? There are 5 tens. So draw your straight lines to draw 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are there any ones in 59? There are 9 ones, so let's draw our 9 ones as little circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it is time to take away our subtrahend. Point to the number that we are going to take away. we are going to take away 17. So let's start in our ones. Which number is in our ones, the 1 or the 7? The 7. So we are going to take away 7 ones. And when you're doing this, you're just going to draw one line through each one that we're taking away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's move on to our tens. Looking back to 17, how many tens do we take away? Just 1. So draw a line through one of your tens. And now it's time to find our difference since we don't have any hundreds. So let's go back to our ones. How many ones are we left with? 1, 2. How many tens are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens is equal to 40. So I have 2 ones and 4 tens. That is 42. Great job. Let's do one more. So on your paper, go ahead and build another hundreds, tens, and ones chart. Step 1 is to build the minuend. Point to the minuend. Which number are you going to build? You are going to build 376. Remember, our hundreds now are going to be the squares. So go ahead and build 376, and then come back and check in with me to see if you built it right. Okay, for 376, you should have 3 hundreds. You should have 7 tens. And you should have 6 ones. Now we are going to take away our subtrahend. Which number are we going to take away? 51. So go ahead and take away your ones, your tens, and your hundreds, and then come back and check in with me and see if you got it right. So you should have taken away 1 and 5 tens, and no hundreds were taken away. Now go ahead and write your difference. Write what you have left in each place value. Pause the video, and then we'll check. You should have 5 ones left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should have 2 tens left. 10, 20. And you should have 3 hundreds left. 100, 200, 300. So what is your difference? 325. Great work. Now it is your turn to do some independent practice. So in this worksheet, you will see 4 different problems that you are going to complete. Just make sure when you're doing this, I want to see you draw out the base 10 blocks, and then when you are subtracting them, make sure you draw a line through it so I can see which ones are subtracted out. After you're done, you can write the answer down here at the bottom, kind of like we were just doing in each place value, but then also write your answer up here on the line so I can see it there too. When you finish, turn it in to Edgenuity.